Hello, friends. If God is like a lamb, what then is a lamb like? We may begin by saying a lamb is innocent. It isn't innocent like a kitten or puppy. Those creatures grow up to become predators that feed on weaker, more vulnerable animals. On the other hand, lambs grow up to be sheep. They eat grass and possess no fangs or claws by which to harm anything. They say "bah" and they are harmless. Even in the primitive Old Testament, we see God's lambness coming into focus when Daniel 7:9 describes him having hair like pure wool. Wool is the hair of a lamb. The lesson here is that God, like a lamb, is innocent. When we experience hardships, tragedies, and heartache, we must remember that God is innocent. He didn't cause it. He didn't allow it. He had nothing to do with it. He is innocent. Godspeed, my friends.